Hey YouTube, it's Jerome with Northern Kentucky Gear Check. I'm doing this video for partially myself to keep track, a better track of my gear, and just in case I lose anything that I know what I need to replace and what I lost. I guess the other part is just for a review of some of these things. This is my one of my EDC items, I guess you can call it. This is a Lifeline Pro Series small pouch. I got it on sale. I guess it was being discontinued, but I got it on sale. I think the regular price of it was $7.99. I got it for $5. So I thought it was a good deal for what it is, and I use it for my EDC bag that I usually leave in our vehicle. You can leave it safe, locked up in our vehicle, and or in the house, depending on the day and where I'm at and stuff like that. If I'm at work. But what I'm actually talking about is one of the things I keep in the pouch. It's a Lifeline survival pocket survival container. Let's see here. The contents include weather-resistant ABS carrying case, one carabiner, one flashlight, one AAA battery, one multi-function tool, one candle. It's a tea light candle. One quick spark fire starter, one emergency whistle, and 5 3/4 by 3-inch bandages. Let's open this kit up here. The case is water resistant. I mean, there's a small gasket. There's a small gasket going along the outside of it. It's pretty decently durable case. I mean, it will take a drop or two, but it won't take a whole lot. This whistle, I mean, this kit is small and compact, and that is one of the reasons why I got it for this case. Is I wanted to start with something. But fire starting device, fire striker. I'm not gonna light it in the house, but it will do okay, I guess. I mean, it's not the it will do okay. I guess it will do the job. It may take a minute though to light. Some instructions. Yeah, short and small instructions. But one of the problems with this kit is telling you to use tinder, but there's no really anything that comes with it as far as cotton balls or a fire starter, anything that comes with this kit besides a candle to use for tinder. So kind of hard to do that. I'm gonna put it back in here. I'll do it later. One AAA battery for a little flashlight. kit cost $9, I believe, $10. I got it from one of our local retailers called Myers. I don't know if you have that in your area or not, but I think it's pretty popular here in most Kentucky, Ohio, Michigan. I think it's pretty much all the area they cover. But it's multi-tool. It's small. I don't know. It's not great, but in a pinch, it will probably do. Again, here's a list of the contents. An expiration date of February 2019. It's a great start for a EDC in case of emergency type thing, but if you got stuck with just this, you would be in a whole bunch of trouble. But it is a good start for something. It's a lot better than having nothing. But I use this kit to have a baseline of a system. This is part of my EDC kit, I guess you can call it, which I'll go through the contents of that on another day. But I thank you for watching my video. I'll have to go through this and pack it back up and see what else I can fit in here, and then I'll have another video I guess later on a couple things I add in here. On the size of this kit, there's not really a whole lot you can add. I guess if you had to, you burn this paper, but yeah, not really a whole lot you can add to this. But if you can get one or two more things in this kit, you'd be a lot better off than still most in an emergency situation. But again, thank you for watching my video, and hope you like it. If you have any questions, send them to me, and I'll try to answer them best I can. Thank you.